Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Green Kitchen channel. Today, we're preparing a recipe from Italian tradition that is naturally vegan, chickpea flour flatbread. Let's begin by pouring 600 grams of room temperature water into a large bowl, where we'll dissolve a teaspoon of salt. Gradually add 200 grams of chickpea flour. The ratio should always be the water is 3 times the flour. Mix with a whisk until you achieve a super smooth mixture. Once done, skim off the foam that forms on the surface using a spoon, as it would darken during cooking, affecting both the appearance and slightly the taste of our flatbread. Finally, add 40 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Give it one last quick mix and transfer the mixture to a previously greased baking tray. Now, we bake it in a static oven at 220 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes until the surface turns golden. The cooking time can vary slightly depending on the size of the tray and, consequently, how thin our spread mixture is. And here is my flatbread, ready to serve. Before cutting it, I recommend letting it cool for a few minutes, as it will be very soft right out of the oven. The flatbread we've prepared can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 4 days and can also be frozen. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll give this recipe a try, because it's truly too simple not to replicate and far too delicious. Please subscribe, leave a like, and provide feedback on the recipe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you back here on the Green Kitchen channel in the next video.